Maintenance on Handi Quilter Longarm machines. This bobbin case is definitely in need of a clean. And underneath the stitch plate, lots of fluff accumulates. If you take out off the side of the machine when we're doing a maintenance, you can see how much fluff has come through. And obviously the wheels, they're a little lint trap and for loose threads. Here, a piece of thread has got really stuck underneath the hook. So take off the stitch plate on a regular basis using a short flat screwdriver. Once you've removed that stitch plate screws, you can look at the underside and you'll see there's fibres, threads and dust mixed with oil. It gets really stuck underneath there. It also collects at the edges, so you'll need to clean that out too. So get your brush and give it a good clean. Use it to remove all of the lint, both from the top and the sides, and get right inside to the hook assembly so that it's nice and clean just prior to oiling. So make sure you do your oil every bobbin change. Don't forget to clean the wheels regularly. So using your fingernail, put it against the side of the wheel like this, and you'll find a whole load of lint, dust and fluff comes off. It makes a big difference. With some of the machines you can use canned air, but not for the Amara, Vanti, Simply or Sweet. Clean also the inside of the black wheels and polish your tracks. If you do have thread nests, rotating the hand wheel at the back enables those little cutters inside the hook assembly to cut the thread. This is the hook and you can see it's very, very sharp. This is what hook alignment to needle alignment looks like when it's spot on. So that's a little roundup of Handi Quilter maintenance.